Hello friends, welcome to Beena's Family Kitchen. Today we will see how to prepare delicious green chicken, which is also known as Haryali chicken in Hindi. Before we enter into the video, those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's see how to prepare the recipe. I have taken here 1 kg chicken. It is marinated with little salt, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon chili powder and 1 spoon, that is tablespoon, lemon juice. Rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. Also I had 1 small piece of ginger and 3 to 4 pods of garlic. You have to crush and add it to this. I have taken here mint leaves. It will be around 4 tablespoons and coriander leaf. It is like this, 1 bunch, small bunch. Now we will wash both the leaves very well. Now let's see what are the ingredients to be ground in a blender. So here I have taken green chilies. I have taken a lot because these, by the color only you can say these are less hot, not spicy. So you take according to your taste. If it is dark green, you can take around 4 chilies and few pods of garlic, ginger and 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Along with this, you have to grind the coriander and mint leaf. I have washed them with little salt and turmeric. I have soaked and kept it for 5 minutes and washed thoroughly. Cut it little and then we will add it in the blender and grind it. Cut the ginger into small pieces before adding it into the blender. I have cut the chilies also, made it into half as it was extra long. Put the coconut also. Add the coriander and mint leaf. We'll add this and then you can add only 3 tablespoons of water. Not to add too much of water. Make it into a good nice smooth paste. Blend it for 10 seconds or it will not grind very well. I have kept a kadai. We will be pouring into it around 4 tablespoons of oil after the kadai becomes hot. The ingredients to be added into the oil is 3 cardamom, 2 onions small and 1 bay leaf. So now the kadai is hot. See that you use sunflower oil, not to use coconut oil or mustard oil. Use sunflower oil for the good taste. Add all the ingredients. Saute it until little golden in color. The onions are golden in color. Now we will add half teaspoon cumin powder and 4 crushed peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Let's give it a good mix. It is homemade garam masala. Just mix it for around half a minute. Now we will add our green paste. You can see the nice green color. Just give it a good mix and now we will add the chicken to it. The chicken has to get cooked in this masala, in this gravy until it is soft and tender. Give the chicken a good mix. Keep it covered and cook on a medium flame. No need to add any water. As you can see, the water will be leaving from the chicken. Our curry is boiling very nicely. I can get the sweet aroma. Now when it is boiling, we'll add 1 more tablespoon of lemon juice We had added it when we were marinating the chicken, 1 tablespoon. Now once again we will add to the curry. Our curry is best had with bread, chapati, naan or rice. You can see the nice color and the aroma. Aroma, I am getting it. So when you cook, you'll get the aroma and the taste. So enjoy. Let me enjoy my curry today. So our green chicken, which is also known as Haryali chicken, is ready.